Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to make an ISO from a folder in Windows 11 or 10. For that I will use ISOCreator software that is only 459 KB in size. So all you need to navigate to this one link that you can find in this video description and then click on this one download option to download it on your PC. Once you download it to your PC, install it on your computer. And then open it on your PC. Then here beside ISO file path, click on the browse button and select the folder where you want to save this file. Name the file and click on the save button. Then from the folder path browse option, select the folder from that you want to make an ISO file, and then here you need to specify volume name also, such as I have set it folder to ISO. Finally click on the start button to make an ISO. Click OK after finishing it. Here you can see ISO file has been created successfully, this one .iso, and you can, if you want, you can mount it on your PC as a CD or DVD drive. For that you can double click on this application, and if it does not mount as a CD drive, then right click on the ISO file and select, and here select open with and then Windows Explorer option. This will mount ISO file on your Windows 11 machine as a CD or DVD drive that will be visible under this PC. As you can see here, I have created and mounted this one ISO, and here you can find this volume name also that I have set in this application. And to unmount this ISO file, right click on the mounted ISO and select eject option. This will disappear virtual CD or DVD drive from your PC. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.